So Diamond Pro Air, being significantly lighter than the equivalent 200mm high vertical block, has an awful lot more voids within the block. So that presents lots of benefits. Not only is it lighter and easier to handle, but from a drainage point of view, it actually means on low height gravity walls, you can place the clean drainage stone within the block and you don't need any clean drainage stone directly behind the wall. Now, for anyone installing that, it will be a massive, massive saving on time. It'll just make life so much easier. So that's certainly a big benefit. The reduced weight within the block as well means that it's so much easier to handle. I had experience in that myself using them. When you build the block, you construct them in half bond, stretcher bond, which that means then that the hollow core in the block, they align with each other. So it means you can actually place a fence post as well. So that's a major design advantage. So for a lightweight fence, thinner posts, steel posts, etc., they'll be able to be placed right down through the block. We have a little detail showing that, and then you would put like a semi-dry concrete in to support it. So these are new things that you just couldn't have done previously with the vertical block, but you can now with Diamond Pro Air. There is no other block on the market with a 200mm course height that's lighter than Diamond Pro Air. Also then that means with the 200mm course height, you have 11 blocks per square meter, so there's fewer blocks per square meter. So a lighter block and fewer of them per square meter compared to our competitors means they're much faster to build. You'll erect more square meters of wall per day. That's a benefit. I also am aware from talking to developers that you don't want to waste any of your expensive land. So the batter of the wall is important. And again, some of our competitors have a very shallow batter, which means on a taller wall, you can actually be wasting quite a bit of land. But on a Diamond Pro Air block, you still get that really vertical, near vertical 4-degree batter, the same as we do with our Anchor vertical block. So we're still getting the benefit of that, but a much lighter block. More block going on a lorry, ease of delivery, less movements on site. You want less lorries coming to your site, so we can get extra block because they're lighter. There's a benefit from that even as well. The drainage, being able to place the fence posts inside the block, the benefits are actually numerous. It's an exciting product. And then some of our competitor blocks require pins. That's just extra cost, extra hassle on site, something else you have to think about. Anchor Diamond Pro Air is totally mortarless, pinless, and built in all weather conditions. So, great solution. So, AG, we've been a licensee of Anchor Diamond from the US for almost 3 decades now, and they have licensees all over the world. Vast amounts of experience, and with that comes a lot of tools, and one of those tools is the Anchor design software. We have access to that, we're using it, and I suppose an exciting step for us, when I'm talking to customers, developers, margins are getting tighter on projects. They're trying to see how they can make a saving. So we now can offer a free site-specific design for you. Simply send us your drawings. I was with someone in Wexford last week. They were very excited about this and have subsequently sent 3 site drawings. That software enables us to give you, based on your site drawings, enables us to give you a section of the wall, an elevation of the wall. It'll show you how much grid is required. It'll actually show you what quantity of backfill material is required. You'll get all of that free quotation. Now, we have partners that we work with. You can purchase the product through a partner or direct with AG. Again, that offers another saving. So when you combine all of this with a lighter block that also offers savings, it's just a win-win-win for customers. Obviously, it's a brand new product. We're just launching it. It's just become unavailable in the market, but we did make some trial product, and the timing couldn't have been better, because I was doing some work in the back of my garden at home where we reseeded the garden. So I'm a very hands-on person. Down through the years, I've always enjoyed getting new product that we've made even as a business and using it, because there's no better way to understand it and how it works. So I think I've constructed more Diamond Pro Air than anyone in the UK and Ireland at this stage, but I do hope that'll change very quickly. So I built 10 bales in the back garden. I actually have a little picture here. I can show you of the wall, and it varies in height. It's running up through a slope, but I've kept the block horizontal, and then I've finished the cap on this area as well. Now, what I have understood from using them, and I have constructed a wall previously at my father and mother's farm with Vertica, And clearly straight away the difference in weight is massive. You know, the reduction in weight is significant, going from 38 kilograms to 24. So 14 kilograms lighter is a big deal when you're physically lifting them. And the voids in the block do really mean you have lots of handholds. It's really easy to lift them. And also I was extremely impressed, I have to say, with the quality and the tolerances. They just clicked into place, dry build. So yeah, a great product. Color variation, I wasn't spending a lot of time trying to mix the colors, and yet I was getting a lovely, lovely blend of color in the wall as well. And then when you fill the block, I was putting some drainage in there, but there's so much voids. The drainage stone filling inside those voids acts as drainage. Not only does it add weight and stability to the wall, but it acts as drainage within the wall. And then I just used a concrete adhesive to stick the last row, just turn them upside down, so you didn't even need to knock the little nibs off. Just turn them upside down, stick them on, put the cap on. So really, really lovely product to work with from my own personal experience.